The painter is dead. Once Calcutta's most famous painter died, penniless and in misery. For past 10 years he couldn't paint anything. Some say he was under a spell. Others gossiped he went to Lake Mansarovar and Mount Kailash 10 years back and there got possessed by a beauty. He told someone as soon as he starts painting something, the beauty appears. And he only ends up painting her. Helpless, possessed, or in love, he never showed his paintings to anyone. Those who knew him went to his room to find any clue. There in his room, they found a box full of paintings apparently. As he flipped his painting to see, oh my goodness me, he was right.